Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and this week's finance video is about 3 things that first home buyers must do. Number 1 is get a pre-approval. Can't stress how important this is. Get a pre-approval first before shopping around. You don't want to be in a position where you find the house of your dreams, you make an offer, and you can't get the loan to buy it. So if you get pre-approval, it will allow you, it will give you the confidence to go out and make an offer knowing that the bank will lend you the money. And especially in this competitive market, you want to get the pre-approval because you want to beat the competition when you find the house that you love. So the first thing is to get a pre-approval. The second thing that first home buyers must do is to buy within your comfort zone. Again, I can't stress how important this is, because unfortunately what a lot of first homeowners do is that they find the house of their dreams and they tend to go over budgets because it is everything that they want. And then over time or soon after, they may regret the purchase because it's too expensive for them. Circumstances may change and they may not be able to afford the repayments. So always stick within your comfort zone, knowing your income, knowing your expenses, and knowing what the repayments are. As long as it's within the comfort zone, you'll never regret it. So always buy within the comfort zone. And finally, the third thing is take advantage of all the first home buyers concessions. The government has numerous concessions in the market at the moment to encourage first home buyers, and so you want to take advantage of them because it will save you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars when you're going out and buying your first house. So make sure you take advantage of it. If you don't know what they are, speak to your broker and they'll be able to provide you with the information. So that's this is my video for this week. 3 things that first home buyers must do in summary. Number 1, get a pre-approval. Number 2 is buy within your comfort zone. And finally, the third thing is to take advantage of all the concessions that are available for you. If you have any questions, would love to hear your comments. Write them below. If you'd love to, if you're a first homeowner, and you'd like to get started or you'd like more information, please contact us, and happy to assist where we can. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye.